Good morning, friends. I am Gopi. I want to talk about favorite leader using body language. So, I want to start with one quote. A leader, one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So, my favorite leader is Barack Obama. He's a former US president and he was the 45th president of America. So he born in August 4th, 1961 in Hawaii in United States of America, and he studied his school level at Hawaii, and then he moved to Harvard to complete his post graduation. Then he moved to Illinois State in Chicago, so where he contested for state senate for some time, and then he moved and contested to US Senate. And in 2009, the US Democratic Party of USA, they have selected him for contesting as a president of United States, and he won the election in 2009 and he became the president of United States. He was the person from African American community, and he was the first president from African American community of United States of America. So he helped a lot. He helped a lot to the black people, and he amended so many constitutional changes, and he did a lot like Obamacare and same-sex marriage, like so many issues, and he deal with the world like foreign policies and visas to migrate from other countries to USA to develop this USA a lot, and he has did two terms in as a US president. First term is 2009 to 2013, then 2013 to 2017, and he did more help to people financially and everything like. So he was the president for everyone of United States of America. Then our Prime Minister Mr. Modi, he has invited him for what is the Republic celebration in India in 2015. He came along with his family and as a guest of honor, chief guest of honor for the 2015 Republic celebrations. So on the occasion of Republic celebrations, he was talking to the Indian people and he gave a good speech and about US American US Indian relationships, Indian US relationships, like we both like USA and India both together, uh, we are going together and serving to the world and helping to the poor people, and like you see about climate change, like in industrial relations, like trade relations, and like our community people who are going from India to USA to study, to work, and they have been helping a lot to our Indian community in USA. So why I am telling about this is he is the man, he come from the bottom level, like he is a black person and he helping a lot, and he has maintained a lot many relationship with the Indian government, and he helped a lot like, and we agree a lot of agreements like climate change, because climate change is most important in our for our world, because air pollution nowadays everything is going air pollution. So he was the person who helped a lot about climate change, how to overcome this, and electricity to helping to poor people, because nowadays electricity is most important for everyone, and lot of agreements had happened between USA and India, because we need electricity. Electricity is most important for every person. So if we generate electricity through solar power, renewable energy, then it is going to be help a lot to our Indian uh, uh, people or world people, and we can have climate change like air pollution, we can reduce air pollution. That is the most important. And whoever is migrating from India to USA, like for going for studies, like settling there. And the government of USA during his tenure helped a lot to our Indian community. That's the most important. And he was talking about trade deals, because trading between two countries is most important. If we trade, what is like any like we are good at pharma development, like drugs development, and they are IT. They are very much about like IT, Google, for Facebook. Everything is headquarters in USA, and we are taking a lot from them, and they are taking a lot from us. So, and he told about that India and US are the best friends in this world, and he told that third word also from his mouth. So that's most important. So the world is looking at India, is we are very happy. Even the USA president is coming to India and talking about India a lot, and he has also pointed out and supported that we are going to help India and in United Nations to have veto power, like in the in United States, United Nations. That's also most important. So, and he also suggested that, he told us, because you are the people, you are the having lot of what is that constitution, and you can help your neighbor countries like Burma, Sri Lanka, so that they can also develop like you. He also suggested us. So we have to take a lot from him. And he also told about that when he was president of United States, he has celebrated Diwali in White House. That is the first time when he was celebrated the Diwali. Since then, Diwali has been celebrating in White House, on the Diwali festival in White House. That's also most important. And he helped a lot to recognize as in India in United Nations, like many things. We can't say one thing or two like that. So we have to we have to develop a lot, and he helped a lot to our Indian community here in India, here in USA, wherever. So because he is the person is having lot of confidence, lot of things, and he did a lot. And I'm talking about that Iraq war and Afghanistan and Bin Laden. Bin Laden, what he did is, during W. Bush period, the World Trade Center, two towers demolished by the this Osama bin Laden. So the army of USA, what they did is, they want to catch the this Osama bin Laden, but live they didn't do. They attacked on him, Abbottabad in Pakistan, and they did, and he's died on the raid, and he was taken over his body, and they put into the Pacific Ocean. So that is the thing. So he did a lot to save their people, and around the globe, USA is always in the top. So we also developing a lot our Indian, and Obama is helped a lot to our community and everything. So I'm talking about Obama. Obama, he is a simple guy. He is not a style guy, and he always talk about free. Go to the people. He talk a lot. He goes simply to the a needy person, and he help a lot. That's the attitude, behavior in he is having. That is the powerful man in this world, and doing good to American people as well as the whole world. And he also given warning to he was given warning to Russia, like Ukraine. They attacked Russia people. Russia government attacked on Ukraine. He also warning to them. And in Paris agreement, as climate change agreement, that is also good, and that is also well. So my thing is, he is the person, he is favorite to me, and he is the guy who did a lot So that's why I have chosen him to show me and use body language, and he is the person of the day. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Gampa sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.